Hi, this is Marco Branes from the company INFiLED. We are at the ISE show in Amsterdam, the last time in Amsterdam, next year in Barcelona, where we have our showroom for next year. One of the most important things at the show is our introduction of the WP series. It's a very ultra-thin LED screen, easy to install. You can see the thinness, and it's also easy to maintain with a vacuum. We can pull them out for reparation. Here you can see the screen in live. We have different kind of resolutions, starting with 0.9 to 3.1 millimeter. The aspect ratio of the cabinets, it's 16 by 9, 27 inch, so easy to install and easy to create full HD screens. For more information, go to our website www.infiled.com. Thank you.